Is After Effects 2025 giving you a nightmare with Magic Bullet? Are you stuck in a loop of installation errors, plugin not found messages, and pure frustration when all you want to do is color grade your footage? You've clicked on the right video, because this is the proof that it can work perfectly. As you can see on my screen, I've got After Effects 2025 open right now, and I'm importing a completely flat, ungraded video clip. It's dull, it's boring, and it's exactly the kind of project that needs the power of Magic Bullet. Now watch this. I'm not going to struggle with errors, I'm just going to go to my effects panel and apply. Magic Bullet looks directly onto the footage. Instantly, it's working, ready to transform this clip from amateur to cinematic. Let's just do a quick demonstration to show you this is the real deal. I'll dive into the settings, maybe add a bit of a cinematic tilt to the shadows, warm up the midtones to make the subject pop, and add a subtle vignette to draw the eye. Look at the difference. In less than 30 seconds, we have a professional-looking grade, and the plugin is fast, stable, and fully functional. This is the seamless workflow you should have. So how do you get this result and finally fix the installation issues for good? I have put together a detailed step-by-step guide with the correct process and the direct links you need. To get this exclusive guide, you need to join our community. The link to the full step-by-step installation guide is waiting for you right now in our official Telegram channel and our Discord server. By joining, you'll not only get the fix, but you'll also get access to community support from myself and other editors who can help you out. Stop the frustration. The links to both our Telegram and Discord are in the description below. Join now, get the guide, and get back to creating.